All right, in this video, we're going to go over how stars move throughout the course of a day. And I'm going to put up the cardinal points for you up here, as well as the nighttime sky. And I'm also going to put the time of day on the bottom of the screen. And we're going to start the time moving forward and mark the trails that the stars sort of make in the sky. We're going to marking their path as they go, as time marches on. And I'm not marking all of the stars in the sky, just the brightest ones, so we can kind of make sense of what's going on. And we'll notice right away that the stars seem to be making circles. And they're making a circle around a very specific point in the sky. This is the North Celestial Pole. We see them going around the North Celestial Pole because we're up here in the Northern Hemisphere. And there's a couple of things I want to point out about this. They're going around in a counterclockwise fashion around the North Celestial Pole. The next thing is that as we move away from the North Celestial Pole, we'll see they start to sort of mark out bigger and bigger circles. So the closer they are to the North Celestial Pole, the smaller circles that the stars actually make in the sky. So the North Celestial Pole is 47 degrees above our horizon because we are at 47 degrees latitude here in Lakewood, Washington. So all of the stars that are within 47 degrees in the sky of the North Celestial Pole never rise or set. They're sort of always up in the sky, making a little circle around the North Celestial Pole. Those are stars that are called circumpolar stars. These stars that never rise or set, they're just sort of always up in the sky. All right, but as we move farther away from the North Celestial Pole, those stars are making bigger and bigger circles, and they dip below the horizon and come back up. So this is what we call rising and setting. And generally, stars are rising along the eastern horizon, so anywhere from north through the eastern horizon down to the south, that's where they rise, and they set somewhere between south along the western horizon and then back up to north. All right. So if we want to see that again, just really quickly here, I'm going to reset everything. And we're going to see these stars moving again. Now in the south, because they're rising over on the east and setting in the west, we see them generally move east to west. But if we flip around and we look more on the northern horizon, your stars are generally moving more from the west towards the east. So stars still rise sort of along the eastern part of the sky and set along the western part of the sky. But because they're all going around this North Celestial Pole, the stars sort of between the northern horizon and the North Celestial Pole, they actually move from west to east in the sky. This is sometimes a little surprising for people. So wanted to point that little bit out for you.